garage doors a little bit crooked. Hello.
Hey,
we can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I made it.
Yeah.
How's it going? Come in and check it out this way?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a Wayne Dalton system. Yeah, it's heavy. Oh, wow, yeah. Yeah, so when you heard that bang, it was probably the spring inside that tube. It's heavy.
Yeah.
Crazy heavy.
Yeah. That's what we heard. Well, actually, they heard it. I was in the back room, and when I came out,
Yeah.
someone said, "Did you hear that noise? What noise?" He said, "A big bang."
That's what it
We
was.
went out to the front, looking around about thinking somebody was trying to bang the door.
Yeah, so this cable on this side is tight. See that? This one over here is loose. See, it's just dead slack.
Yeah.
Nothing to it.
Yeah.
Not even connected. So yeah, the spring on this side broke. Now I will tell you this, sir, like on these, the reason I asked you if you had a Wayne Dalton system forever came is just so I had an idea. Like I was going to give you information right at the front. We don't work like on the Wayne Dalton systems. I can get you running, but the only thing I can do truly is just convert this into the more modern like torsion system. That's what it's called. So one spring, even if Hollywood Crawford, I think that's the only company that works on these. If they replace one spring, it's like 506. I know. I had a customer just show me a quote on that.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous for one spring. I can convert it. I mean, I just don't work on these because they last about 4 to 7 years on average. Warranty calls are just crazy. So, let's see. Yeah, what I'm going to do is just basically try to help this open and pick it up. Should come down a little bit and grab it first. You mind if I set it right here one second?
No.
Here, I'll stick it in my pocket that way I don't scratch the car up. Okay, got you ready here.
Voice is that thing?
What's out the 243 green? Let's go. Got that spring to put on there. Let's hurry and balance this door. See where we're at. Let's check the balance on and see what happens. This better be good, man. Better that paid off. Beautiful. Get these parts put up so I can make them invoice because he's trying to get to town here on a Saturday. So that's how it's done, guys. Treat these customers good. Do good work. It'll pay big dividends in the long run. I promise you. All right, just wrapped that one up, man. That was, as you can see, that's the ticket for today. Another good Saturday, just doing nothing all day long. Then one job comes in, I didn't schedule anything. I shut some of my marketing down because we got things to do today, but this emergency call come in and it sounded good, so I took it. That's how we do it here at Dapper Dudes, guys. Like, share, comment, you know, whatever. You know the deal. So yeah, let's close out for this one, guys. We'll see you at the next one. Appreciate you guys.